Today we're having a look at what comes in the box of a Meta Quest 3S. This is Meta's new headset and it's a bit more budget orientated. This is also a sponsored video for Meta. So first of all, the box itself is very premium with these tabs that you rip off, which then allows you to get inside. And of course this means you don't need a knife or anything like that to get into your headset. And it feels really nice. Very much recyclable and what you would expect from a big company like Meta. They've obviously put some major R&D just into the box itself. But this being a more budget orientated VR headset, it has a lower resolution and a lower field of view compared to the other VR headsets. And that's the big thing for me, is the field of view. When wearing this, you do see black circles around your eyes because you just cannot see a big enough field of view to make it look great. And that to me is a noticeable compromise this headset's had to make to come down in price. And if you're interested in the price in your region, there'll be a link in the description below you can go check out. Now inside the box we have our headset, we have two controllers. These are powered by AA batteries. They seem to last quite a long time, so very impressed with that. There's also a spacer for glasses which you can put in, which adds maybe 5mm of extra space inside the headset. And then you also have a charging brick and a USB type A to type C cable to charge the actual device itself. It is a standalone device, so you can play games on it. It's got Meta's custom version of Android, and for just mobile hardware, it seems to play games really well, and I didn't notice any issues, and you do get Arkham Shadows for free with the headset. However, if you want, you can play VR games from your PC as well over the Wi-Fi, and I was surprised at how well that actually worked, and yeah, I'd recommend it 100%. It's also got mixed reality, which means that, let's say you're playing a game and you want to go get a drink, you can just switch to mixed reality, go away to your kitchen, and you can see everything, pour yourself a drink, have a drink, no problem, go back to gaming, and it's really quite good, and it works very well. Its onboard sensors also keep track of where your controllers are, so you can see them in real-time space when you're moving them around, and it makes it very immersive. And it also allows you to make a bounds area that you can walk around in safely, and that way if you get close to the edge of that bounds, it will bring up a little kind of area that lets you know that you're actually at the edge of that boundary. So a very good way to keep safe while playing VR games. But that's our quick look at the Meta Quest 3S, Meta's new budget VR headset. It does have a lower resolution, which I don't think is too much of an issue. It's not too low, but the field of view is definitely the issue, as you get about 20% more field of view with the Meta Quest 3. But of course, when you get immersed in your games, that can disappear and you can forget all about it.